Hey everyone, it's Adam. Now, I always see these in the camping sections at outdoor stores. It's these small Sterno canned heats. I always wondered if they would actually be practical for backpacking. So I got a little test going on here. This is a fresh can of Sterno. I got my Tokes kit here, and I'm going to replace the alcohol stove with the Sterno. So I got some water here. This water is 1 3/4 cups, you can see there, which would be your typical backpacking meal. So like kind of a real world experiment. Let's see, just can't see because of the glare. Okay, the water temperature is at 43 degrees. As you can see, 45. Right in that vicinity. So we are going to light this and see how long it will take to get a boil. Now, as you can see here, it's a blustery day here in northeastern Pennsylvania. We just had that little bit of a blizzard. There goes my windscreen. Alright, we're going to light this. Okay, that's lit. Now, like I said, this is 1 3/4 cups of water, which is for your typical mountain house backpacking meal. Throw that in there. Put that on, along with the lid. Like I said, water temp was there at about 43 degrees. Go find my windscreen. There. Alright, now let's start the timer. Alright, we started the timer here. Jeez, the glare is horrible out here, I'm sorry. As you can see, the timer is started. We're going to let that go and see how long we could get to a rolling boil with the Sterno stove. I really have my doubts about it because from what I remember is they don't boil water very well. Oh, I may be wrong though. Let's find out. We'll get back to you. We'll check back in a little bit and see how we're making out. Alright, we are coming up on 5 minutes right now, right there. And like I said, it is cold out. It's 30. The ambient temp is about 34 degrees. Let's see what we look like. Slight steam. Very small bubbles on the bottom. Right, don't want to leave that uncovered too long. Like I said, I'm calling this almost a real world situation because of the breeze that we have, how cold the water was, and with everything like that. So let's see. We'll check back in another couple minutes. All right, we are just over. Let's see here. We are just over 12 minutes in. Let's see where we're at now. A little bit of steam. Some small bubbles on the bottom. That's it. Alright. We'll wait another few minutes. Alright. Just about 19 minutes in. You can see it from the glare. 18:50. Let's see where we're at here. A little bit more steam, a little bit more bubbles, but no boil yet. Alright. Sorry because of the glare again, but coming up on 27 minutes. A little bit more steam, a little bit more bubbles. No boil yet. Alright, coming up on 32 minutes. 31:45. Looks like we're just starting to get a slight boil off the bottom. Let's wait another couple minutes, see what it looks like. Alright everyone, we are coming up on 35 minutes. See there? 35. Let's take a look. Just some bubbles. A very, very slow boil. I wouldn't even call that a boil. But should I call it or leave it go? Yeah, let's let it go for a couple more minutes and get a final time on that. Let's see where we come out. Alright, we just passed off the 38-minute mark. And we have, I wouldn't say a rolling boil, we have like a slow rolling boil. Alright, so I'm going to call it there at 38 minutes. Now I know these aren't ideal conditions, but when do you have ideal conditions when you're out backpacking? So, does it work? Yes. Is it feasible? No. I don't believe so. Maybe in an emergency it would be good, but for practicality, no, I don't think so at all. So, like I said, that's the best I got. All right, folks, that was my test, and to tell you the truth, this was the second time that I did this, and it was right around the same amount of time that it took the last batch. So, there you have it. Can you use a Sterno to boil water? Yes, it just takes ungodly long. And according to the can, these Sternos only last about 45 minutes. And if it takes you 38 minutes to do that, then how much are you going to have left? Are you going to take a stack of these for a trip? I don't think so. But here's my setup. Got my pot stand, my Tokes pot stand there. And cap it off, and there you go. I at first thought this was going to be a good idea, but apparently it's not. Well, let me know what you guys think. Thanks a lot. See you later.